Hello, and welcome back to the Healthy Habits channel. Today we're diving into the topic of Kava Kava and its potential as an alternative to alcohol. With more and more people looking for healthier lifestyle choices, exploring alternatives to alcohol has become increasingly popular. But what exactly is Kava Kava, and can it serve as a substitute for alcohol? Let's find out.
Searching for a natural way to unwind without the downsides of alcohol. Imagine a world where relaxation doesn't come with a hangover or impaired judgment. Enter Kava Kava, a root native to the Pacific Islands, embraced for its calming properties. But how does it really stack up against alcohol? Kava Kava and alcohol both lay claim to the throne of relaxation and social ease. Each has its ceremony of consumption and cultural significance. However, the similarities may not stretch much further. While alcohol is well known for its ability to loosen inhibitions and, unfortunately, impair cognitive functions, Kava Kava offers a different kind of experience. Users often report a sense of relaxation and mental clarity.
Alcohol is a central nervous system depressant, known for its ability to induce relaxation and reduce anxiety. Many people consume alcohol socially to unwind or relieve stress after a long day. Similarly, Kava Kava has been traditionally used in Pacific Island cultures for its calming effects. It contains compounds called cavalactones, which have been shown to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety without causing significant impairment of cognitive function.
A stark contrast to the often foggy aftermath of alcohol consumption. Diving deeper, alcohol affects the central nervous system and can lead to decreased motor skills and coordination. Over time, its consumption can lead to significant health issues, including liver damage, addiction, and other serious conditions.
When it comes to cognitive function, alcohol consumption can impair it, leading to decreased coordination, slowed reaction times, and impaired judgment. Excessive alcohol consumption can result in intoxication, making it unsafe to drive or operate machinery.
On the flip side, Kava Kava, when consumed responsibly, does not typically impair cognitive functions. It can actually enhance mental clarity and focus in some individuals. Moreover, Kava Kava has been a staple in traditional Pacific Islander medicine for centuries, believed to have numerous health benefits.
In contrast, Kava Kava does not impair cognitive function to the same extent as alcohol. While it can induce a sense of relaxation and euphoria, it typically does not cause the same level of intoxication or loss of coordination. This makes it a safer alternative for individuals who want to relax without experiencing significant impairment.
Research suggests that Kava Kava may not only calm, but also relieve pain and improve sleep quality. This is in sharp contrast to alcohol, which can disrupt sleep patterns and, over time, exacerbate physical and mental health problems.
Potential health benefits of Kava Kava. In addition to its calming effects, Kava Kava has been used traditionally for various health purposes. Some research suggests that Kava Kava may have additional health benefits, such as reducing pain and improving sleep quality. For example, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychopharmacology found that Kava Kava extract was effective in reducing anxiety and insomnia.
However, it's not all serene in the world of Kava Kava. Concerns have been raised about its safety, particularly regarding liver health. Reports of liver damage in some users have led to restrictions in several countries. These concerns underline the importance of moderation and the potential risks of long-term or heavy use of Kava Kava.
Safety concerns. While Kava Kava is generally considered safe for short-term use at recommended doses, there have been reports of liver damage associated with its long-term or heavy use. For example, in 2002, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, issued a warning about the potential risk of liver damage from Kava Kava containing dietary supplements. As a result, some countries such as Germany, France, and Canada have restricted or banned the sale of Kava Kava products.
Legally, Kava Kava treads waters that vary significantly by region. In some countries, it's a celebrated import available in cafes and health stores. In others, it faces strict regulation or outright bans. This patchwork legality emphasizes the need for potential users to be well informed about their local laws before embracing Kava Kava.
The legal status of Kava Kava varies by country. In some places, such as the South Pacific Islands, Kava Kava is an integral part of cultural and social gatherings and is readily available. However, in other countries, such as the United States and many European countries, the sale of Kava Kava may be regulated or prohibited due to concerns about its safety. For example, in the United States, the FDA issued an import alert in 2002 banning the import of dietary supplements containing Kava Kava. While some states have since lifted the ban, others continue to regulate the sale of Kava Kava products.
Wrapping up, while Kava Kava presents a promising natural alternative to alcohol for those seeking relaxation without cognitive impairment, it comes with its own set of caveats. It's crucial to approach Kava Kava with the same caution one would with any substance affecting mind and body. Always consider consulting a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication. So in the quest for relaxation, both Kava Kava and alcohol offer paths, but the journey and destination are quite different. Choose wisely, considering not just the immediate effects, but the long-term implications on health and well-being.
Thank you for watching. In today's video, we explored the potential of Kava Kava as an alternative to alcohol. While both substances can induce relaxation, Kava Kava offers a safer option without the same level of cognitive impairment. Remember, moderation is key, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.